Handled from Holy Child Public School. Today, we will cover a concept of English, which is adjectives. We have learnt that an adjective is a word used to qualify or describe a noun or pronoun. Now, let's take a look at an example. She was looking stunning in the occasion. Here, stunning is defining her look. So, it's an adjective. There are 6 types of adjectives. First one is adjective of quality. It describes the kind or quality of a person or thing. For example, she is having a beautiful pair of shoes. Here, the word beautiful defines the quality of shoes. So, it is the adjective of quality. Second is adjective of quantity. It indicates how much of a thing is made. For example, the waiter served me enough of juice. Here, the word enough represents the quantity of juice. Third one is adjective of number. It indicates how many of a thing is made. For example, he brought 6 pencils. Here, 6 represents the number of pencils. So, it is an adjective of number. Adjective of number are of 3 kinds. Definite numeral adjective. It states the exact number of people or thing. They are of 2 kinds, cardinals and ordinals. Cardinals tell us the number of people or things. For example, she is 40 years old. Here, the number 40 represents her age. Next is ordinal. It tells us the order of people or thing in a series. For example, Rachit came first in the race. Here, the word first represents his position in series. Next type of numeral adjective is indefinite numeral adjective. It do not indicate an exact number of person or thing. For example, few children came in the park for play. Here, the word few represents how much children came and it is not defined. Now, next one is distributive numeral adjective. It refers to each one of a number. For example, the teacher ordered every student to submit their assignments. Here, the word every refers to each one of students. Next type of adjective is demonstrative adjective. It indicates which person or thing we are talking about. For example, this city is very beautiful. Here, in this example, the word this indicates a city. So this is demonstrative adjective. The word this, that, these and those can be used both as adjective and pronoun. It is very important to differentiate between them. To examine them, you have to see whether the word qualifies a noun or points to a noun. Demonstrative adjectives will always be followed by a noun. For example, this is a beautiful house. Here, the word this is a pronoun as it is pointing to a noun, house. Next example is, this house is very old. Here, the word this is followed by a noun called house. Next type of adjective is interrogative adjective, which is used with nouns to ask question and always followed by a question mark. For example, which city is known as Pink City? Here, which is a word used to ask interrogation. Next adjective is possessive adjectives, which shows belongingness and possession. For example, Ria took her pen. Here, the word her pen shows belongingness of pen to her. It is important to understand the difference between possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. For example, he wrote a letter to me and he is very close friend of mine. Here, he wrote a letter contains a pronoun and very close friend of mine indicates adjective. So this was our today's topic. Hope you took interest in it.